Welcome. We're going to design navigation bar. So we have to get our icon. So I'm going to icon file. I get some 4 icons. Icon for home, search, profile, favorite. Okay, so I'm going to select all the icons. We'll do components, create component set. Then I go to the plus icon for properties. I do instant sort there, and then just select them to page 3, the component 1. Then I'll name them icons, and then I say create. Okay, select all, and then I duplicate it there. Do some text. Then down right, boom, 12. Select the icon and the text. Remove the spacing. We can put 5. And then I do some alignment. And then I do Shift A for auto layout, and then I create the component for it, create a variant for that one. Name it to active property. The first one will be still remain default. I'm going to icon color to red, also the texts to red. That one will define the active component. So I'm going to duplicate this one. I do alignment, align top left, which I resize it. That one will be 440. And then I do Shift A to add auto layout. I add a stroke. I change the direction of the duplicate. I double click there, and then I do Ctrl D 4 times. So I'm going to change these icons for the next one. I'm going to change here in the property. I'll put favorite one. Then I change the text to be favorite. Okay, then I change the next one icon to be search. So I'm going to change the text to be search 2. Then I'm going for the last one, change the icon to profile. I do the same for the text to be, name it account. Enter. So I'm going to add variant of the main component. then I add another one to the fourth one. So I'm going to make the first one home active, going to change it to active, then I change the second one active, then I'm going to do the search one, third one to be active, then I change account to active. I'm going to do something called prototype. So we're going to do for the first one the home icon, connect with this. We do the same for the favorite one, we do with the other one, the search. Okay, with that frame, then the last one, the account with the last one. After there, we're going back to a design mode. We do some screens. Frame, we're doing with the phone Pro Max 16. We duplicate that one 4 times. That's the second, the third, and the fourth. Okay, you can give them different colors. You can give this one, that one, could give this one feel that one. The next one can be blue, then this one can give it, yeah, and going to press one, so you can copy it. Okay, then we duplicate all the 4 sides. Then we select the other one. Okay, then go to the last one. Okay, now we're going to select this frame. We go back to our prototype, then we run it. We do preview.